We are at 56 East 130th Street. This is unit number 4R on the 4th floor in a boutique brownstone building. You come in, you have a really large closet. It goes further down. So for coat closet storage, I've also seen people put bikes in here if you like. There's really a good amount of storage. You have a video intercom. You do control your own heating and cooling, so that's your thermostat. Centralized heat and cooling. So you have a good sized bedroom. We get a lot of nice natural sunshine because we're up on the 4th floor and it's very quiet. We're in the back of the building, but still get a good amount of skylight. So this bedroom can fit a queen size bed plus some extra furniture. If you have a full-size bed, that would obviously give you more room for furniture, but previous tenants have put a queen-size bed in this room. That's where we came in. We have the bathroom here. You have a shower. And you have a really large living area. You could have room for a dining area, plus an L-shaped couch if you want. It's a really large living space. Again, lots of nice sunshine. If we come through this way, here is the kitchen. We have a double stacked washer and dryer, dishwasher, stainless steel appliances, microwave. I have seen some people put like an extra island here if you wanted some more prep space. There's lots of great options because as we turn around, again, you have so much extra space here. This building also has roof access, which is a nice touch. And then we come out through this way.